Today I am going to share with you a craft that is not just made with jute but made with a forgotten promise, a hidden memory, and the magic that lives inside simple thing. Welcome back, dear creator. In this video, we are turning ordinary jute into a beautiful wall hanging, a piece of art that carries a heart-touching story from a teeny village where a simple decoration changed an entire family life. So get ready for creating emotion and magic woven with jute thread. You need for this craft jute rope, a wooden stick or twigs, cardboard, glue gun, beads, and bit of fabric scrap and your imaginations. Before we start crafting, let me take you to a small village surrounded by snowy field. There lived a girl named Allara whose mother made handcrafted jute decoration for especially Christmas. They were not rich, but the wall of their homes glowing with golden warmth and jute because Allara mother believed when you create something with your hands, you also create blessing. But for winter, everything changed. Her mother getting ill and the village crop festive, the only source of hope for her mother. Alara knew nothing about crafting and especially in jute crafting, but she remembered one thing, a promise she made to her mother as a child. One day I will make a beautiful and amazing craft like you. Now let's begin our wall hanging the same as Alara started her journey. Take a piece of cardboard, wrap the jute tightly around it, just like Allara, who wrapped her hope and fear into every loop of jute she touched. Allara stayed awake all night, watching old jute piece for her mother made her finger hurt, her eyes burned, and she disappointed, but her heart glowed because she was not just crafting, she was keeping a promise alive. By morning, he made a small jute wall hanging, beautiful and amazing, and something and sometime imperfect thing hold the most beautiful stories. Now, add small decoration. You need some stuff like jute, tassels, beads, tiny fabric, flowers, or even dry leaves for a rustic look. A wall hanging become magical when every detail reflects a piece of your heart. Her design had uneven lines, crooked tassels, but a spirit that shine brighter than any mastercraft. Her eyes filled with tears, not because she sold it, but because she realized something the smallest creation can save the biggest dream. Now at the top wooden stick or twigs, tie the jute rope on both sides so it become really ready to hang. Look at the craft in your hands, simple, rustic, beautiful, just like Allara, because jute is not just a material, it's a nature woven and amazing gift with stories. And here's the magic. Allara mother recovered when she saw the wall hanging, which is her daughter created. She whispered, perfection does not make things beautiful, just love does. So every time you hang your jute craft on your wall, remember this story. You are not just decorating in your home, you are decorating your life with